what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different...
Good morning. I hope you're doing good. Wow, we had some really wild weather in our neck of the woods yesterday. Some very heavy rain. Anyway, it seems to have passed this morning. Today, I'm bringing you along to photograph my dining room. If you don't know it about me, I like taking photographs, and sometimes in videos I'll just put up photographs that I've taken of my house. So watch out for the photographs that I take in this video at the end of the video, if that makes sense. But my first job to do today is to fix that up. I don't want to take photos with chipped paint and Velcro, so I will get out the paint and touch that up. Have a quick tidy up. I know, amazing. And then we'll take some photos. So I'm just taking off the Velcro. Oh, see? These walls are like paper thin, but I guess you would be if you were nearly 100 years old as well. I don't really need to sand the wall. It's so thin, I don't want to damage it, so I'll just put some paint over it. So I'm standing on my couch to get a good position to paint it. Just trying to get the lid off with one hand. This is the Hamptons by Valspar. Oh. Most of my house is painted in this colour, because when I was choosing a white for my house, this is the colour I landed on, and I really like it. I'm not usually left-handed, so I'm doing this with my left hand. There is one room that is another Valspar colour that's white. It is one of the most daunting things in decorating, is trying to choose a white. With my house being so dark, I wanted a bright white, and I really like a true white. So this is what I call the shade, a true white. It obviously looks like it's a different colour, but it will need a few coats, and I'll just have to let it dry in between. Oh, nearly falling off the couch. Can't do that. It looks better already from a distance, and it's only the first coat, so we'll let that dry. So here's my camera that I use. It's quite old. I've had it for quite a few years now. It's a Canon. It's a 700D, and I've just got the standard lens on it that comes with the camera, but I will change it to my nifty 50, which is like a close-up lens to take close-up photos. In this video on my Canon G7X Mark II, so that's more like a blogging style camera. It's still really good, but I do really like my DSLR, but it's so heavy. Some people blog with DSLR cameras, and I really don't know how they do it. So the angle of the room will be about here for the long shots. I'll get some of the table in, but I'm just concentrating mostly on that part. I have done 3 coats. It's still not quite dry, but I can definitely take some photos, and I'll probably do a 4th coat because it still is slightly patchy, but it's amazing. Just a few little coats of paint can change everything. So this is how I will photograph this angle, and I'll come down to the table and I'll do some close-ups with my little lens. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this type of video, like a mixture of photos and video footage. So much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.